Woohoo! Road trip! DJ Daihatsu. Super nice.
Like after we pass Austrian, so we just...
Hi, we're almost where are we? Belgrade. But we stopped to stretch and some people to pee. I'm gonna run. Bye. Hello. We've been waiting here for more than an hour. No signage of movement. We might sleep here, stay here. I don't know. Wait us in 5 days. If you ever think of crossing the border of Serbia and Hungary, let me tell you, don't do it. Oh, if you have like 3 hours to spare,
Don't miss your
4,
flight.
don't miss your flight. Don't go with a car to Amsterdam. Take a flight with your car on parts.
You can
Great
do that?
idea. Yes, you put it on separate parts
Really?
and then you put it together.
Sounds
Yeah.
great.
100, 101, 102, 100, 200, 500, 600, 700, 800. Oh my god, 1,000 push-ups on the border. Are you
Me
annoyed
annoyed?
at
Never.
waiting here for 5
I
hours?
can
You're
live my whole
annoyed?
life here.
You live here?
I can live here.
On the tent over there.
Sure.
Yeah,
I
over
don't-
there you sleep.
Yeah. My whole
Gonna-
life. I can
yeah,
see
you're gonna
myself
stay on the
retiring.
border. This is no land.
You get
You'll be no
sunlight,
person.
there's moon. Can you
Yeah.
imagine the stars here? at
Oh my
night?
gosh, it would be amazing living on the border.
People all the time, like from all
Yeah,
around the world.
and you meet so many different nationalities.
Yeah, mostly
Oh my
grumpy
God.
people who are annoyed from traffic, but
Yeah, but you know, you never know. Maybe you make need to be your best friends here.
And how cool is that? You can put it on
Yeah.
your bio. I live in the gate of Europe
Yes, exactly. I live everywhere and nowhere.
at the same time. Yeah.
Amazing. Super cool.
Like and subscribe and follow and
Let me give an advice. If you're deciding to do the things, it will be really fun if you decide to have a small car and you decide to push it by yourself with your boyfriend. Like pushing the car 100% makes it better. I'm filming what?
you didn't film the
I'm sorry, I didn't. This is the guy with the guns. He moved the whole car. I'm just
with one finger.
turning.
Say with one finger.
He's doing it with one finger, yes. One finger. Only one finger.
I can try actually. Let's do
He
it.
can try. He'll do it
Challenge
now.
accepted. Let's. Don't film
For
it.
you guys.
Don't even.
Yes, I'm filming.
How about to push this 500,000 kilogram car with one finger?
More like 2 kilos, but okay. I'm joking. You can do it. It's moving.
It moved a bit.
It moved a bit. I saw it. You can do it. You're using 2 fingers, aren't you?
No, not.
Okay, do it. You can do it. You can do it. Move it. I see it moving. It moved, yes, definitely. It went backwards now. You definitely moved the car. Yes. Are you annoyed? No, you're not annoyed that they just opened 4 lines now at 7 o'clock after waiting for how long?
3 hours and a half, I think.
3 hours and a half.
Yeah.
That's nothing.
It's okay.
Yeah. And these
Almost a
people.
band anyway,
Yeah.
so-
Oh, we made it. We made it. We're in Hungary after exactly 4 hours of waiting. 4 hours. At 7, they changed the guards. And they opened 4 lines. And we passed. Amazing. Woohoo. Home for the night. Whoa. It's like, wow, so big. It looks so nice.
For 60 euros?
That's so cool.
I think your dad's gonna have to sleep in the couch.
Ти маєш трябва да спиш на дивана? And the other room, so spacious. Wow. This is so much bigger than our apartment in Amsterdam. Wow, and it's toilet.
price actually.
Wow, nice. We can so much better. There is a bathtub. Nice. We can also wash clothes. So we arrived in Budapest late yesterday after almost 12 hours of traveling from the morning and 4 hours of waiting. And we're in this super cute hotel that looks like almost like a castle. Outside we have a very big garden. I want to make a little comparison between roads of traveling in 2 countries yesterday. So first place is Serbia. From Niš to Belgrade the road was perfection. Second was Bulgarian road. It was okay-ish. And on third and last place is the Hungarian road. Oh my god, so many holes and bumps. So bad. We have 99,000 kilometers and we are in Hungary. But it's raining. And listening to some nice music from the radio.
Továbbá évek óta első helyen állnak a daganatos betegség miatti halálozásban. Ennek hát jelentős része.
Oh, so many bumps.
Mesterjelöltjeként
Whoa.
és ha nyer, akkor október
Has your dad been
1-től
in this Jesus?
There's arrows pointing which direction to go. There as well. Go feel we're getting closer and closer to the Netherlands.
That car is driving so crazy.
Which one?
I always wanted to like it's a Netherlands like that.
My socks need some appreciation with this landscape.
I'm annoyed that I cannot go over this gulf.
No.
My Daihatsu is like. Oh, what a nice highway.
Good morning, Germany! We're in Germany. After such a long trip, we slept here and now we're going to cross the whole Germany to Amsterdam. Woohoo! Almost there. We made half of the trip. How do you know you're in Germany? You look outside of the window.
Yeah, we said goodbye to the sun in Hungary.
What do you mean it's snowing?
It's snowing.
It's snowing!
Are you fucking?
Are you joking?
We have snow tires.
Did we win? Yeah, it's all season tires, my dad said.
People are just going for it.
Yeah, they're like, snowing, it's snowing, it's snowing. Is it spring or?
It's raining.
Wow. Are we in different continent or what? I don't think we're in the same planet. Maybe, I don't know. I think so. Let's check how.
It's so cold.
The road is open for the ambulance. Welcome to update on the highway. We had an accident number 4 on the German highway and we're not moving because we left the road for the people, for the ambulance to pass. And we're just on the side on the highway, just waiting. It's so strange. This is so not good. Like, why didn't just put a speed limit and there won't be so many accidents? People are driving so carelessly.